What is up everyone, and welcome to a brand new episode of Velocigear. This is Rahul back with another video, and in today's video I have this right here. This is multi-functional phone charging bracket. This I purchased from JC Road in Bangalore, and hopefully if I find a link to this in Amazon, I'll just list it down in the description down below so that you guys can check it out. Now in this video I'll be showing you how to get this mobile phone holder for your bike for a very cheap price. So I have just paid rupees 350 rupees for this, and how did I get it for so cheap is that you just have to go to the shop and ask them for a damaged piece, that is damaged charger. The charger of most of the mobile holders doesn't work. So ask the shopkeepers for a damaged piece and you'll get it for a very cheap price. So now let us quickly open this and just show you what's inside, and then we'll install it on my Honda HORNET. So this is the phone holder. As you can see, you can place your phone over here, and this is the adjustment bracket, and then this I'll show you the attachment of this very soon. So inside the box you also get these stickers. This will be stuck over here so that it doesn't put scratches on your mobile phone, and also we have a couple of these rubber holders so that if I lose any one of these corner I can replace it with this. So that is what present inside this box. Now let's quickly install this on the vehicle. So to install this you need a 14 size spanner. So as you can see, this bracket right here goes right over here. This I'll be attaching it over here, so you can see how I'll be doing it. You have to first loosen the above nut. So we have removed this bracket from the mobile holder, and then now we'll be installing it in the mirror. So as you can see, we have fixed this bracket in the mirror now. Now we'll be attaching this mobile holder over here. So now you can adjust this any way you want, but just by loosening this knob right over here and then moving it in any direction you want. So this is the moment where we cut off the wire because we aren't using the charger. And yes, my mobile holder is ready for my bike. Now we'll be putting the sticker over there, right over here. Yep, neat and clean. So for me this is kind of very feasible for city use. And now let's just keep a mobile phone over here and see how it holds the phone. So that was a video of installation of this mobile phone holder for my Honda Hornet. If you guys have enjoyed this video, do hit the like and the subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you with the next one. Peace.